Tamilarasi, I Tamil Gurutuli.
Hi kids! Today we're going to read chapter number 4. Well, looks like something's missing today. Who is it? Can you guys tell? Yes, it's Gwen!
Did I gone too late?
No, you came just in the right time, okay? You came in the right time. Okay, let's start reading chapter 4.
Okay, what is chapter 4?
Let's see. Should we see?
Panda? I can see it.
Chapter 4. Okay. Wait, what letter is this?
What could it be? Is it a P?
Yes, it's a P.
For Papa.
You're right. Can you tell me that sound one more again, kids? Yes, sir.
Pa, pa, pa.
Okay. When? There's a lot of things in this picture here. Can you tell me a few of them?
I can see a paintbrush.
Yeah, I can say a paint. Paint. Brush. What else? What?
And I can see paint.
Paint. Paint.
Of course, paintbrush, paint, paint.
Okay.
And I can see a panda.
Panda. What else?
Parrot. Papa.
Parrot. What else can I see?
Da, 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 da. I can also see pineapple.
Yeah. Pineapple. What else, ma'am? Can you name me one more?
Pumpkin.
Yeah. Pumpkin. Super, Gwen. Okay, now let's start. Panda and parrot painting. Let's start. The panda painted the parrot singing. Pa 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 pa. He said and painted the parrot. Parrot painted the panda singing. Pa 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 pa. Here, another side, the parrot is also painting. He's painting the panda. Okay? And she's also saying pa 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 pa.
Let's imagine this. I'm in the parrot and you're the panda.
Okay, I'm gonna read pa 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 pa
Pa, 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 like that.
Yeah, that's really fun, right? It's like pa pa pa.
Pa, pa, pa.
Okay. What picture is this? Can you tell me about it?
I can see a pumpkin
Okay.
and pineapple.
Ooh, yummy pineapple. Do you like pineapple?
Don't talk about that. I'm getting hungry.
Okay.
There, I see a pumpkin, a parrot inside it, and a panda inside a pumpkin.
Okay.
And the parrot,
Right?
and a panda, and a purse. It's like the panda's like, I'm gonna carry some stuff with me.
Okay. After painting, the parrot flew to the palm tree. Okay?
I can see a palm tree.
Yeah, that's a palm tree.
Why are they going to the palm tree?
Let's find out. The panda climbed the bamboo shoot.
Oh, bamboo shoot.
That's this. It's going up, right? That's the bamboo shoot. Okay? Now, this picture looks so powerful and beautiful. Can you talk about this picture?
Yeah. The parrot seems to be standing on the leaf of the palm tree and holding the pumpkin with the panda inside. And then the panda, the big grown-up panda, is standing on some bamboo and holding the pineapple with the figure inside.
Oh, and what time it is? Is it morning or is it night?
Night.
Yeah.
Wait. Palm tree.
Yeah, I told you that before. Okay. after their dinner, they exchanged their paintings. So the panda gave his painting to the parrot, and the parrot gave his painting to the panda. Aw, so sweet, right?
Exchanging. It's like giving gifts to the ones who like.
Okay, what? Do you remember everything I just said, no? Everything, because we're going to ask questions. Are you ready, boy?
Yes.
So I'm going to close the book. And I'm going to ask question number 1.
Do you remember the story too? Then follow along.
Okay. Question number 1. What were the parrot and the panda doing, Gwen?
They were painting.
Yeah. What were they saying while they were painting, Gwen?
Pa pa pa.
Pa pa pa. Pa pa pa. Yeah. Okay. Question number 2. Where did they go after they painted?
To a palm tree?
Yeah, the parrot went to a palm tree. Where did the panda go?
To the palm tree too.
No, he went to the bamboo shoot. And the parrot went to the palm tree. But good try, Gwen.
Aww.
That's okay. Okay. Question number 3. What did they do after they eat their dinner?
They exchange their paintings.
Yeah. I hope you all answered it right.
I'm gonna go.
So the kids who answered it right, congratulations. Oh, and bye. Booman, we need you. Booman. Oh, there you are.
What do you need me?
Do you remember the pea story, everyone?
Yes.
Now we're going to do its activities.
Which activity?
The pea sound activities. Okay. Okay. The first activity is you have to color this pea while saying its sound. You have to color it by saying pea, pea. Got it?
Got it.
Super, Glenn. You finished the capital P. Now do the lowercase p.
I don't know why. It looks so familiar.
But it won't look familiar on lined paper. Make sure you follow that rules. Okay. Down good.
Oh, this one looks like a big, and this is small.
You're right. Because this
It's big.
Because this is a capital letter and this is a lowercase letter.
Okay.
Okay. So we finished the capital letter P and the lowercase letter P. Super, Glenn. Let's get to the second activity.
Yay.
The second activity is writing the P's. Glenn, do you remember you asked me the difference between the capital P and the lowercase p?
Yeah.
Now you can see the difference. Look at the capital P. It starts from the blue line and ends at the second red line. But look at the lowercase p. It starts at the first red line and goes to the end of the line. See, kids?
It doesn't go up the lines like the big.
You're right. That's the difference between them. Now you have to write this. Now you have to write letter P while saying it out loud, like B, B. Got it?
P, 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 P.
Super, everyone. You finished the capital P.
Yay! I'm so excited for the next one.
Now you're gonna do the lowercase p. Make sure you say the sound and the letter too. This one.
P, 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 P.
Super, Booin. You finished both capital P's and lowercase p's.
Yay!
Well done.
Thanks.
Now we're going to do the last but not least, the third activity.
Yay!
Okay, so Booin, can you tell me all these pictures?
Pig, a peacock, a purple pen, a purple penguin, a purple panda, a purple pen, a purple potato, a purple parrot, and a purple peas. Okay.
Now, what you have to do is, you have to do it like this. P, pin. P, peacock. P, pig. Got it?
Got it. P, pen.
Next.
P, peacock. P, pig. P, pen. P, panda. P, penguin. P, potato. P, parrot. P, peas.
Super, Booin. Can we tell these pictures one more time?
Pen. peacock. Pig. Pen. Pen. Panda. Penguin. Potato. Parrot. Peas. Super fun.
I hope you all learned the letter P with us.
Bye! And I'm gonna go.
Hi kids! எனக்கும் என் தம்பிக்கு drawing, coloring, craftனா ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். உங்களுக்கும் பிடிக்குமா? அப்ப உங்களோட drawing, coloring, craft work எல்லாம் எங்களோட வெப்சைட்ல அப்லோட் பண்ணுங்க. தமிழரசி ஃபேமிலி கூட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் போடுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. That's it.